All right, Dean, that is right in my eyes. I can't see a damn thing. Okay, right over here. I need you to be right over here.
All right.
Okay, can you see what you're looking at?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, that's because you're shining it where you're looking. I need it to be right here. Jeez.
Hang on, let me get a different angle here.
Much better. Much better.
Oh,
Now
here.
hold it still right there. You're still in my eyes. I can't see nothing. Give me the flashlight.
All right, Chris, you need this the wrench right here?
Yeah. Dean, this wrench doesn't fit.
Doesn't fit?
No, I need the one that fits your oil plug.
All right, here you go. Let me hand it down to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Oh, okay, just missed me. Thank you.
All right, got it?
Appreciate it. All right, Dean. I'm going to have to come up there. This wrench that you hit me with doesn't fit. This wrench would be good on a kid's Tonka toy truck. I don't know what that's for. And I got no idea why you handed me this. It doesn't make any sense. Let's see what we got going on here. This is this the manual?
Yeah, this manual.
This doesn't look right. Dean?
Mm-hmm.
This is a John Deere tractor D100 series manual. It's a lawn tractor.
Yeah, it's the manual. I was good.
This won't do us any good. This is the wrong manual. You got to be kidding me. This is of no use to us. This manual is really not going to do us any good to change oil in this vehicle.
And that's what we're doing, though, right? We're changing oil. I mean, it's a manual to change oil.
That we could change the oil in your lawn tractor, and we need the manual that goes for this truck to change oil, because there's different oil, there's different size oil filters, there's different oil plugs. It just simply won't work. You have to have the right manual for the job.
You get the manual for the truck.
You need the Toyota Tacoma manual to change the oil in this vehicle.
So I guess it matters.
It definitely matters.